Acousticability. How's it going, man? Awesome. Today we got a dual vlog going on with Acousticability here. To me, this is a 200 sub special. To him, have you decided if this video is just a regular dual vlog for you, or is it just 1 year celebration?
This is actually going to be our first collaboration, so it's on its own. It's good enough on its own, you know?
Yeah, it's good enough on its own. There you go. We have some interesting plans today. We're going to go to Walmart and we're going to buy some fidget spinners, and we're going to try to make fidget spinner rims for our cars, which is either a fantastic idea or a retarded idea. But
you do have the perfect hub center.
Right. So here's my plan for this. First, I'm going to get some paper and just quickly wipe off the brake dust. I got a compass. I'm going to just generally in the center trace out the outline of this circle on some cardboard from a cereal box, and then we take some 3M tape and just tack it on a little bit, and then just slap this cardboard onto it, and then just in the middle, more or less, put the fidget spinners on. So, since it's not off-center, I anticipate that this will, under high rates of speed, the fidget spinner will stay in place.
As long as it's dead center.
As long as it's dead center. If it's not dead center, it's going to become a weapon of mass destruction, okay? But if it's dead center, more or less, it shouldn't spin much, and then at lower speeds, it should spin with the wheels, and then when it's stopped, it'll be like spinning rims, except the fidget spinner will just keep spinning. That's the theory, anyway. Who knows? Maybe if this works awesomely, maybe one of these days, I don't know, maybe I'll get some metal and a MIG welder and make fancy little hubcaps. But for now, we're just making a prototype custom spinning fidget hubcap piece of shit thing. We're going to do 4 of them, and then we're also going to try for his car as well.
What I want to try to do,
or what he wants to try to do,
I want to try to do is I want to take and actually see if we could find them that are small enough that'll fit right inside the hub cover on mine. That way I can take and try to tack it in here so that if it does take and fly off at high speeds like we're talking about, which I would love to test it at 100, at least 100. I know it goes a lot faster than RPM, but I want to see if it stays stable at 100 miles an hour on a turning rim. It'll bounce off here and probably just destruct and then go flying somewhere else instead of actually hurting anything or anyone.
If you want to do that.
In the back. It's way too deep.
We'll figure something out. Have you measured the diameter of...
No.
Rough guesstimation. Fidget spinner has to be less than... has to be 4 fingers or less in width.
I was going to do an
old trick.
I was gonna...
Up to there, up to the A, up to the E, up to the T.
Up to the T.
Alright, so let's find the Walmart and let's get to work. I'm looking at fidget spinners. We got red ones, black ones. I think I'm going to go with red, but it'd be nice if we get some light up ones or something. I don't know. And then you also got the Barbie dolls, kind of like, I don't know whatever you might do with Barbie dolls.
Look at this, right. Remember the skip back and you don't. Look what I can do. Look what I can do. No.
Okay.
No.
All right, these are like $5. If we can't find anything else, we'll go with red.
Hey.
Just gotta grab some Operation Iraqi Liberation while I'm here. All right,
Look, our sides mirror each other, right?
We got some 3M tape, some fidget spinners. I bought some motor oil for myself for a little bit of fun. He got a fidget spinner and some other Velcro stuff as well. We're gonna head over to our usual spot and we're gonna get to work testing shit. We have arrived on location, so I guess you just get to work on yours and I'll just get to work on mine.
No, I gotta film what you're doing, dude.
You gotta film what I'm doing?
I gotta film every piece. That's a collab thing.
Alright, let me get like that.
But first, I gotta fix my Viagra selfie stick.
Gotcha.
Nice check.
Thank you.
I just wanted you guys to know that if you were in my eyes right now, this is exactly how insane it looks to make videos. I'm not sure if you all have ever seen this from a first-person view of how it looks when we make videos, but this is it.
So first what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe off the brake dust. Nothing too crazy, just...
So you're going to buff that down?
Just to get a general clean...
General shows?
General clean surface area. Doesn't have to be anything crazy special. So I'm doing the same thing here. I'm just going to hit the driver's side.
Oh, that actually looks nice from over here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's shiny.
I've got a compass here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, that looks about dead center. Just gonna measure out circle that big. Then I'm going to rip up this check box. Get everything out of this check box. Brutally simple design. Fidget spinner hubcaps. Ready?
Do you have scissors?
Yeah, I have scissors. I do.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
one circle down.
Oh,
Wall side. So that's one. Now we get my little cardboard circle. It's not exactly cut, but it'll be just the shape, like so. We get another one of these. I'd say that's about dead center. Take this off. Let's see how the fidget spinner looks on that. Fidget spinner. That's our fidget spinner right there. Will that work? That will work. Gotta do one more wheel now.
oh shit! Is it centered?
I think so.
Did you poke hole?
It's roughly centered.
Now, I don't know if you guys remember actual spinner rims, but this is a throwback to spinner rims here in a smaller scale. So you take a look here. Hi! How y'all doing? I got mine too. But anyway, I was just fucking with this camera. But anyway, so if you take and you look at this,
I think we're ready.
hopefully we'll see how this runs here. Now, I don't know exactly how he's going to want to try to do this, but I'm sure we can figure this out.
First, let's start with the slow roll, and then I guess
We got slow roll it. Which way did you spin it? You spun it backwards too, didn't you?
All right.
Let's see how this works out.
Yep. Let me just find a way to stash. Actually, I'll just throw this in the car. I'll throw that in the car. Garbage. I'll throw these in the car.
Yeah, I just remembered I can't push this down.
Not garbage. I put here in this bag. Garbage.
So,
here.
slow roll with me walking?
Yeah, we can do that.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I got spinning rims. Fidget spinning rims.
Ready when you are, El Capitan. Yeah, I know. Go ahead, turn it. You ain't gonna hit me. Is it spinning or is it stationary? Nope, it's stationary.
So it's staying in one spot while
It's rolling and staying in one spot. The back one is as well too. So go ahead, give me a quick stop. Oh, there it was!
It stopped already now?
Yep. Now, it'd be epic. Just run up, get a nice quick stop, and then come back and stop right beside me.
Yeah.
Great success.
Did it just fall off?
No, they're still spinning. It's just that they're gonna need a lot more love than that.
I don't know what to say.
That one seemed to be going faster than the other one. I have to do it. Ready?
Yeah. Oh god, that's terrible. Yeah, I got fidget spinning rims though. What's your design? Let's see your design.
All right, let's.
I'm gonna park somewhere near your car and that's your design.
Now I have to actually take and go back and get a center cap for my rims. And mount it to that.
You have to get a center cap?
Yep.
You want cardboard?
I don't know how I'd hold it on.
Center cap is so much work.
No, you just pop them in.
Or you know what you could do? You could just put them here and just maybe aerodynamics will do the rest. I don't know.
I got a cracked windshield. What does it matter, right?
I don't know. See, because I figured the wind will come and it'll push it somehow. We could also probably take more sticky things and put them on the sides to spur that effect.
Or
You think so? What I'm saying is we could use that tape thing to make little tabs for the wind to catch onto it to get it to spin.
I guess we could.
I don't know though.
What do you guys think? I can't hear you.
Not until like a week from now.
How fast do you think I'd have to be going?
I don't know actually, now that you mention it. The issue with the acoustics thing is that we slightly misjudged the by eye measurements. He wanted his inside his, but these are just ever so slightly too big. I mean, we'll probably have to take this home and file it down, but until then, we still want to continue with mounting his with fidget spinners. Like on the gas cap maybe, or on the T-top. You're dead set on the T-top.
I'm dead set up.
Okay.
Well, the great part is you have a good center cap on your shit that if you really wanted to be stupid, you could literally put them on there. But how many people are going to steal it? It's going to end up like my...
That is true.
Like my drift charm that people like to steal. Not to mention any names such as, Pat.
I think this fidget spinner is rubbing on this.
Now the real question is how long? We're both sitting here going, how long is it going to last? And basically, recycling, which is very important to recycle, because he used cereal boxes. Would you like to say which cereal brand you're using?
It was Chex. I cut up the Chex box because that one was the fucking worst and deserved to be
Favorite
mangled.
cereal and go.
Rice Krispies.
Cracklin' Oat brand.
What?
Cracklin' Oat brand. It's an old man thing.
I'm surprised you don't eat like Viagra's.
We're gonna see if we can put. It's got to be up here close to the front because that's the closest point to finding actually any kind of air. So we're gonna try to dry this off as best as I can because it's a rainy day.
Drizzly.
It's funny when you wipe off your car just to find the water drops down below and the T-top falls. And how do these work? I've never used one of these. I'm so ashamed.
Wall side is the black tape. Other side is the red tape.
Okay, so we're gonna need to put the tab facing backwards. Really?
You should have fucking sealed them between the tape and the
I
window.
should have.
Fucking Han Solo.
I'm an
that
animal
shit.
activist, you little fucker. Anyway. Alright. Okay. So now just peel off the red side.
Yep. And just stick your fidgety
I
shit
think
on
I should
there.
put another one on there, huh?
No, it's actually kind of good.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm. Try it out.
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna put this. Good luck, little guy. Is it in the middle?
Spin it.
Looks pretty middle-ish.
Spin it and listen if there's any noise. You got that rag? How could I, right?
It's good though. It's got water on it, right?
I think so. Should be okay.
Hey, it's good. It's raining, right?
Right. Make sure it doesn't slide off.
No.
It'll stick really well, but they do tend to slide. That looks solid. I hope it's solid. And we got our fidget spinner mounted on the T-top. So this is Andrew's focus. We got Andrew's 300Z, his windshield, and go up, and then there's the T-tops. And then at these T-tops, well, at this T-top, we have the spinner. So we'll see if driving causes the spinner to move.
That's right, people. This is what the world has come to. We're watching fidget spinners spin right now. So basically, this is going to be one hell of a little event.
This is stranger because Andrew's like 40.
I'm 40. Thanks, Dick.
Let's see them fidget spinners spin. I hope it does spin, dude. It'd be sad if it didn't, but then we could put tabs on it to make it spin. Let's see if aerodynamics has an effect. It's rotating slightly.
Was that vibration, though, is the question?
Nah, it's not vibration. It looks like it centered itself with the wind. Is what happened. Like a windsock or something.
Nope.
Yeah, it looks like it's just aligning itself with the wind.
Well, you know what that means, don't you?
We can stick tabs onto the sides to see if we could induce some of that aerodynamic
Drag.
Drag.
Attempt number 1, epic fail. So, when all else fails, try to make drag.
Acoustic is currently attaching electrical tape to the ends of the fidget spinner in an attempt to make it catch a little bit more air. Hopefully we can get this thing to spin. However, I am slightly skeptical. But I do hope it works. It would be pretty sick. Until this shit flies off and hits someone in the fucking face.
Now, this is not going to be professional. By any means. This is not going to be professional at all. I'm just throwing shit on it and hoping that it catches the air.
That should be draggy. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's better. That's much better.
There we go. That may actually work a little bit better. Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, listen, maybe that's an aerodynamic dead spot.
It probably is, because it comes in and goes, it V's out.
Maybe we should put it on the Z emblem.
Hold on a second, should we just go up 45?
We could.
At this moment, when you get pissed off and you just want to do it.
Careful not to spin up though.
What's that?
Careful, don't spin out.
If it spins off, it spins off.
No, you don't spin out. You don't become a physical fidget spinner.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh yeah, I ain't gonna have that problem. We won't have an issue with that.
Why is my camera terribly out of focus? There we go.
You got a water drop on the lens?
No, it's just being dumb.
This is literally the worst area to pull out at, though.
if we lose it, we gotta like pull over.
Okay, we might spin a little bit.
We did spin a little bit. Your fidget spinner is just yawing. It's just going side to side. Looks like you made one of the tabs just slightly bigger. Yeah? Open the window and spin it?
Yeah.
Okay. Opening the window. Hopefully
For science!
For science! Alright, I've induced some airflow. I mean, I've induced some momentum, or whatever you want to call it.
No?
No, it seems to be letting it still. Shit. That's horrible.
Alright, let's turn around. Epic fail.
Aww. At least we tried.
Yeah, that's good. It's a good time.
Now what? We cruise over to Sheets for a coffee? Yep. Let's cruise over to Sheets for a coffee. Tell the world about my fucked up invention. I don't know if I want to leave my GoPro out for that amount of time, though.
The question is you got this taped on enough that these aren't gonna...
No, they're not gonna fall off. If they do fall off, whatever.
So we're gonna have a road test then?
Yeah, we'll just have a road test. I didn't lose my Fidget spinners. I'm an amazing engineer. The problem now is that the cardboard has soaked up so much water. Like this GoPro probably soaked up so much water too. The cardboard has soaked up so much water that these effectively don't work anymore. So let me go ahead and go have a coffee. Alright, what seems to have happened is the front end is dry enough so that the fidget spinner still works, but I figured the water has splashed onto the back and has soaked the cardboard and this just doesn't work. But if this was made of metal or something, or if I made like a legit hubcap, that would work. So the front one still spins quite nicely, but the back one needs tension. So this was our dual vlog kind of type of deal. This was my 200 sub special. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, this one works well, but the other one soaked up a lot of water in the cardboard and it's blocking the flow here. This was our little experiment. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching again. 200 sub special for me. Just a regular video for him, but it's a dual vlog. Check out his channel. I'll put the little button for the end screen over there so you guys can like click that button. Click, okay? And give him some views, subscribe to him. Remember, he's going to make a video too, so it's going to be from his point of view. So you got to check it out. See you later. Acoustic has to rev up his car to get it to start. I'm parked somewhat far, I'm zoomed in, so I'm trying my best. Dude was sleeping in his car, like, what the fuck? It's hilarious as shit.